video on how to do your tax e-filing. The first step is to register for those that haven't registered. After you have registered, you'll have to log in. So let us quickly log in here. Okay, we are logging in. What is happening now? Oh, my email is incorrect. Okay guys, this will be how your account looks like. You need to have this organization here. That's the main key. If you do not have this, it means that you need to set up your account correctly. So what you do, you have to go to my profile. You click on my profile. After you've clicked my profile, you'll see profile management. Then you need to click on profile management. There's one thing that you'll have to change. You see here, you'll have to have organization on your linked account. So this is my business tax, this one is my individual tax. So yeah, so you need to come here to this one and make sure it's also called organization, not individual. So I need to still sort my business one here, but let's focus on this one. So this one is my default. So you come here and then you see there is profile, change portfolio type. See, then you can come here and click what? Organization. So you are not a tax practitioner or individual, but I mean, at first the mistake that I've made is that I had individual, because I thought since I'm an individual, like I'm a person, so I need to select individual. But I ended up calling SARS, and then they said it needs to be organization. So it needs to be organization, and then as soon as you've selected organization, then you will click save. So I'm going back to my profile, and then to return your tax, like I said, you'll need a document that already I believe that your company must have submitted already to SARS. And so yeah, that's basically the first thing that you have to do. So let's go through the process of now returning. Okay guys, thank you so much. Let's get to this. Let's get to this. Let's get to this. Let's get to this. Let's see how much SARS is gonna return to you, or how much you owe SARS. I just want to show you how to do your tax returns. So it's also like my first time. I haven't done it, like, I mean, I work part-time and stuff. So I was speaking to the consultant of SARS. So she really did help me, and she walked me through like 2 years of tax returns, which really did help me. So I just want to show you, once you have, obviously you have to create an account, register for e-filing. If you haven't done so, you need your tax number and your ID number. So okay, so I just want to show you something now. After you've created your profile and everything, you'll have your tax number, your ID number, and then you will have to click on tax returns issued, and then personal income tax, which is your ITR 12 here. So obviously your other documents the employer should have already submitted for SARS, because if your payslip shows that you are doing your paying tax. Okay, so now I want to do one for 2017. Let's try to do one for 2017 for me. Yeah, so I'm selecting the year that you want to do your tax return for. Then you say request. You will just say yes now. So you'll see here that the period will stipulate the period that you want to do the returns for. Then you have to click here my tax return, which is the ITR 12, which is issued, and then I'll click. Then you have to answer a few questions here which are really important. Let's see. So you'll see that all the information needs to be blue. If it's red, it means you still have to supply the information. So these are the few questions that one has to answer. Is this declaration made by tax practitioner? It's not, because you are doing it yourself. This one I leave it open, and I'm going to answer the other question just quickly. Okay. So just answer as quick as possible. You just have to read, then it's either a yes or no. So remember, if you paid any medical insurance during that specific year, you have to say yes, because you can claim also against that. And then just to note that you cannot, if you are paying for medical insurance, you cannot claim against that, because most medical insurances, they don't provide you with the tax certificate. I've used Get Savvy in the past, and they never issued me with any. But if you use a medical aid, like now I use my medical aid for 2021, then I would then need to submit my tax certificate. So this is just the information that you just have to confirm that yes, I'm single, not married. And then your contact details, you just have to confirm your contact details here. Okay, I'm just putting in there. Oh man. Okay, then do you confirm that the email and telephone number supplied is correct? Just make sure that all your information is correct, then I say yes. And then you see everything now, it's turned blue. Then I need to just confirm my banking details. You also need to make sure that your banking details are correct here as well. I update, because if SARS is owing you, they need to have the correct, they need the correct account number to send you the refund. So most of the time, if it's your first time doing your returns, you've got high chances that SARS will be owing you. So I'm submitting this one. I was still a student on campus, so but then I was working part-time, so I'm submitting that. Your assessment has been issued. Click open if you want to open, but I just want to show you the other return that I've done here quickly while it's still loading. Don't know if I have it here. Where is it? Because SARS is actually owing me, but where is it now? But I'm sure it will appear here. Okay, let's just see for the, because now for the year 2017 here, it shows for the year 2017 SARS, it's oh wow, that's nice. The amount refundable to you, it's a minus. So SARS is owing me this amount refundable to you by SARS, it's 1,200. Which is good, I cannot believe it. But I also do have I also have more and more of these refunds. Where is it? I wanted to show you for my 2017, but I cannot see it now. For my 2017, I wanted to show you for my 2017. Yeah, here it is. Is this 2017? Oh, for my 2020, I meant for my 2020 year, SARS is owing me 1,185. So, and then I've also just recently submitted that other one. Where is it now? The 2017 one. Okay, this was still the one that that was taken from 2020. The 2016, you see 2016 is still showing that amount because it's actually coming from 2020, because I started with my 2020, and then now 2017, now it has increased by, I think it's about 100, and so now SARS is owing me 1,293. And then they show you how is this amount, where is this amount coming from. So it means for my 2017, SARS was owing me 100 rand. So 100 rand plus the 1,100 and something, now it's equals to 1.2. I hope this makes sense. So you can see that is for 2017. So yeah, that's basically it. And then I still need to do my 2018 as well. So you follow the same process: return issued, personal income, and then you need to select the year that you need to do your returns. Like for myself, I mean, I didn't know that also in varsity they were doing my returns for me. So you need to just follow the same process and answer all the questions. Make sure that the tax period is correct here. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye.